I'm a baby, by the way.
Oh, that's alright. Get used to a big deep breath in, big slow deep breath out.
Exhale. Is it quick, or is it like a let's go through this layer, let's go through this layer, let's go through this layer?
It's not the quickest, it's quite quick, but obviously you want to make sure you get it right.
Yeah, of course. I've had 2 children, but I'm still a bit of a baby.
No, that's alright.
Oh God, that's painful just for that.
I'm sorry. Okay, take a nice big deep breath in, big slow deep breath out. Woo! That's it.
Was it done?
Yeah.
Ah.
It's all through.
Thank you. I think the clamp was the worst.
I think it is.
It's
honestly.
so spiky.
It does get you, doesn't it?
Oh. It's like got little teeth on it and it eats you.
It does, yeah. It's so it can get a good hold of you and then you won't let go.
Yeah.
Just gonna bring this jewellery through, you're doing really well.
Thank you.
That's it.
Wait for me to bleed to death.
Yeah, that's it. Won't take long.
I've got good blood though.
Yeah.
What is it? I'm a universal donor.
Oh really?
Yeah, I'm
God,
the.
that's amazing.
Yeah, so when I stop getting piercings and tattoos,
yeah,
I'm going to start.
Oh my God.
Donating. Cause
such an incredible thing to do.
I know, right?
That's amazing.
Do you know what blood group you are?
I have honestly no idea.
You know what? You should get tested because then you can find out.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
See, my issue in life is vein needles.
Oh, really?
I can't deal with it. See that?
I've just literally become a phlebotomist.
That's amazing.
I'm literally qualified to take people's blood now.
That's so cool. See, that's the bit I can't cope with. I can't cope with anything going in my veins. I will cry.
Oh, I see. What about injections?
Can't do it. Don't even like
I hate injections. I hate injections so much.
Can't be dealing with that.
I hate injections. That literally took 2 minutes.
Yeah, that's it.
That is so quick.
Quicker than drawing blood?
Yeah, no.
Obviously, you're still going to have a little like crusty bits around it, but
oh yeah, I'll
enjoy
wiping it off
later.
Back.
Yeah,
no, that's fine.
But I'll make sure I get the worst part so you don't look like something out of a horror film.
Do you know what the clotting process is called?
I don't.
Hemostasis.
Ah.
And then hemolysis.
Because I know
it's where you, if you were to get a blood sample and shake it really vigorously, it actually breaks apart the red blood cell.
Yeah.
And then that's not good.
And it like separates.
Yeah. Hemolysis.
Because I know obviously you're a haemophiliac with the bumping and bleeding and that kind of business.
Yes.
So yeah, no, that's
Heme is all this.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool. Thank you. I love it.
No worries.
I much prefer it to my rook actually. Okay, so whilst I was getting my piercing done, literally Matt had the kids at the park, so I was like, I'm gonna go get a new piercing. I love it. Oh, it's very bleedy. What's it look like, Harry?
Cool.
Is it cool? Is it bleeding?
Yeah.
Yeah. A lot. So Harry's got his hair cut. You look beautiful. I said to him, don't go too short, and he was like, yes miss, yes miss. But it was really nice. So yeah, I've just got my daith pierce. Daith. I don't know, however you guys pronounce it, whatever. But I'm really, really happy. The clamp, as you saw, was the most painful bit. She literally like put it on to begin with, and she was like, right, okay, you've got enough of the skin there. And I was like, Jesus Christ, like kind of like low key, like that clamp really hurt. Anyway, we're just gonna go to Asda now and get a few bits, and then we'll be home. Hi ladies, okay, so we are back at home. We did a huge Asda shop, but yeah, so I've just cleaned best I can with a cotton bud. It's still a little bit bleedy, but I'm really, really happy with it. Please let me know down in the comments below if you guys have ever got a daith piercing and how your pain threshold was, because literally the worst bit was the clamp. It's like this and it goes on, and then as soon as the needle's through, like the pain's gone. That's literally the worst bit, is the clamp, and obviously the needle going through, as you can see by my face. So give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to me for free. We've now just hit 20,000 subscribers, which is absolutely amazing. So thank you so much for all of your lovely support over the years, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye ladies.